Now that you have your Cerakote glass coating kit, let's show you how to apply it. It is critical to follow all instructions to achieve maximum results. You'll only need 15 minutes to complete the process. However, it's important that your glass stays dry for an additional hour for the ceramic to fully cure. While wearing the supplied gloves, use the glass cleaning wipes to prep your windshield for coating. Thoroughly scrub the glass, using one wipe for each half of the windshield. Allow the glass cleaner to sit for 2 minutes, and then rinse extremely well with running water, ensuring no cleaner is left on the window or surrounding surfaces. If the glass cleaner gets on anything but glass, don't worry. Just wipe it off immediately with a clean, damp cloth. Once thoroughly rinsed, dry the glass completely. Take your time with this step. Any water will negatively affect the coating performance. Pro tip: if available, compressed air will help get rid of excess trapped water. Now that the glass is clean and completely dry, it's time to apply the ceramic coating. Dispense enough ceramic glass coating along the entire length of the provided microfiber applicator sponge to completely saturate the surface. Apply the coating to the glass using a cross-hatch pattern. First, go over the entire glass with vertical lines, then again with horizontal lines. If the glass coating gets on anything but glass, don't worry. Just wipe it off immediately with a clean, dry cloth. Once it's had time to cure, you will notice a rainbow effect on the glass. The goal is to buff the glass with the provided finishing towel, switching sides of the towel to completely buff the glass until the rainbow is gone and the glass is crystal clear. Now that your glass is finished, do not expose it to moisture for at least 1 hour and allow 24 hours before washing. That's it. Your windshield is now ready for the elements. Cerakote. Finish strong.